Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Venmo to QuickBooks. We will explore two effective methods to integrate your Venmo transactions, ensuring your financial records are accurate and up-to-date. This guide will help you streamline your bookkeeping, whether you receive payments or make purchases through Venmo. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to manage these transactions efficiently within QuickBooks. To begin, you have two main options for linking Venmo. First, you can create a new bank type account in your QuickBooks chart of accounts, naming it Venmo. This acts as a dedicated ledger. Second, and often more automated, is connecting the actual bank account or credit card that your Venmo is linked to. Go to the banking menu in QuickBooks, select Connect Account, search for your bank, and then log in using your bank credentials. QuickBooks will then import transactions from that linked account. Once connected, QuickBooks will start importing your transactions, typically from the last 90 days. You will see these under the For Review tab. For transactions not automatically imported, you can download a CSV file from your Venmo account history and upload it into QuickBooks. It is crucial to review each entry, categorizing it correctly as income or an expense. You can also set up rules to automatically categorize similar Venmo transactions in the future, saving you valuable time. Regular reconciliation is key to ensuring your QuickBooks records match your actual Venmo activity. This helps catch any discrepancies. Remember to record any Venmo transaction fees as business expenses within QuickBooks for accurate financial reporting. A best practice is to use a dedicated Venmo account solely for business to avoid mixing personal and business finances. Finally, consistently review your categorized transactions to ensure everything is accurate and properly allocated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.